जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindha-kanda. O Raja Sugriva, that Rama, while he is living in forest, while he is doing Aranyavasam along with his wife, Ravana abducted Sita Devi, his wife. That is why such great Rama is now seeking help from you. O Sugriva, I also wanted to tell you more about Sri Ramachandra Swami. This Rama is the one who has done so many powerful yajnas. This Rama who has done so many charities. This Rama who used to give lakhs of cows to Brahmanas as dakshina in all of his yajnas. This Rama who has so much of sankalpa balam. This Rama who is just with his tapobalam and satyavakya paripalana diksha, he is able to rule the entire kingdom. Such great Sri Ramachandra Swami for his wife seeking your help, O Sugriva. O Sugriva, he is seeking your friendship, that Rama and Lakshmana. That is why, O Raja Sugriva, you have to respect them, you have to accept them, you have to worship them. Like that, Hanuma said to Sugriva. When Hanuma said like that, Sugriva felt so happy. Sugriva lost all of his fear. Now he is very happy. Immediately Sugriva sakrutva manusham rupam. He took manushya rupam. He changed his form to manava rupam, to look so beautiful. And then with so much of happiness, Sugriva is now saying to Rama, O Rama, akhyata vayuputrena tatvato me bhavadgunaha. I came to know, I learned everything about you through Hanuma. Hanuma told me everything as it is. I learned all your Kalyana gunas from Hanuma. O Rama, I learned that you are the only one who loves all entities on this earth. Now I feel so greatly honored. I feel so happy that you yourself came to do friendship with me. That definitely is a great honor to me. That definitely going to bring me great amount of favor. O Rama, now if you are really like to do friendship with me, come on. Gruhyatam panina panihi, maryada badhyatam dhruva. Shake your hand with my shake. Put your hand in my hands. Come on, Rama, hold my hands with your hands. Like that, Sugriva is now extending his hands to meet with Sri Ramachandra Swami, to do friendship with Sri Ramachandra Swami. Based on Hanuma's words, Sugriva extending his friendship hand with Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami felt very happy, and now Rama has taken Sugriva's hand. Hastam pidayamasa panina. He is holding Sugriva's hand. Hrudyam sauhrudam alambya paryashvajata piditam. Rama has taken Sugriva very close to him and then gave him a very tight, big hug to Sugriva. Rama and Sugriva is tightly hugging each other. Then Hanuma has withdrawn his Bhikshu Rupam, Sannyasi Rupam. Actually, when Hanuma went to Rama Lakshmana in the form of sannyasi, after he got to speak to Rama and Lakshmana, after he believed Rama and Lakshmana, he withdrew his Bhikshu Rupam there itself and then brought Rama Lakshmana to Malaya Parvatam. And then just before meeting Sugriva, Hanuma again has taken Bhikshurupam so that Sugriva would believe him, because when he left from Sugriva, he was in the Bhikshurupam. Again he wanted to make sure the same Bhikshurupam Sugriva would see, so that Sugriva would believe in him. Sugriva would not feel bad. That is what happened. After again Sugriva and Rama got their friendship, Then Hanuma is now withdrawing his Bhiksharupam and has taken Vanara Rupam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.